All right, 8th grade, please go into your Google Classroom. You are going to create a Google Doc here in the results analysis. So click on View Assignment and make sure you create the doc in here so it has your name on the Google document up here. And then take a look at your Google form. You should have at least 7 questions. The first question was seeing who was taking your form, and then 6 questions about which food did people prefer. So after looking at this form here, you're going to go into your responses. And for each question, you are going to take a look and analyze the results. So for instance, the one question was who took it. So for question 1, and you're going to summarize your results here in English. Tell me who took your survey, and then tell me your reaction. Are you surprised who took your survey? Are you happy with your results? And would you agree that this is an accurate reflection of, who participated? As you get to the questions about which people prefer, again, summarize the response. So for instance, here everybody likes cereal. And I have to disagree because in my household nobody likes cereal there. So that would be my reflection. And that's what I would type up for number 2. So do that for each question. Okay, so again, summarize your results. So everybody here liked eggs. Most people here did not like coffee, and I have to agree that that's probably not something that everybody likes. Here, 2 parents don't drink coffee, and I have to say that's surprising. So my reaction would be that's surprising. I think my next question would be, how do people get their caffeine if they don't like their coffee? Here, a lot of people, almost a third, do not have breakfast. And I've always heard that breakfast is the most important part of the day. All right, so again, do that for each of your questions. And if you have any questions about your analysis, please let me know.